Hey, to all of you in Clearwater, Florida, this is your notice on Manitowoc's service class for 2023. This is going to be held at the Holiday Inn 3535 Ulmerton Road, Clearwater, Florida 33762. Now you have your choice of Tuesday, December 12th or Wednesday, December 13th. Either day you pick, you're going to be in class from 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. You need to contact Lorna. Let her know you're going to go to the class. The cost of the class is $85. You will get the tech books. It's about four different books. And then they have different prizes you can win throughout the class or answering questions, things of that nature. You can always go down to your local baker supply house and register and pay for the class. All right, so happy hunting. Just remember, if you do take the class, you're then qualified and you will get paid for warranty work for the next year. Have a good one.